Mommy, Daddy, the soup is ready. Hello everybody, I'm Alex le petit curieux. Let's play and learn together. Today I'm gonna make a delicious vegetables. You can use any vegetable you have in your house. But the vegetable I use is onion, carrot, pepper, potato, celery, and green beans. But the special ingredient that we all need at this kind of soup is tomato juice. Have the vegetables to boil. It's boiling. Now we have to do the spices and tomato, salt, pepper. Make it delicious. I want to taste it. Yummy! Whoa! What a beautiful garden! Add some tarragon. And we put it and GUTEN APPETIT.